Hello, friends. I'm honored to have this opportunity to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Pacific Islands Forum and to reaffirm how much the United States of America values our relationship with each and every one of you. Mr. Prime Minister, thank you for the invitation and for Fiji's leadership of the forum through a time of significant challenge to the region and to the world. Of course, there is no more immediate threat to all of us than COVID-19. This pandemic has taken a heavy toll on the lives lost, and there's a lot of them, and they can never, ever be replaced. And the economic impacts are going to require all of us to work together to drive an inclusive, sustained recovery. But the first step is ending this pandemic. We know how to do that. Vaccinating as many people as possible, as quickly as possible. The United States has already provided more than 80 million doses from our own supply to partners around the world, including several of your nations, with millions more coming in the coming months. We're also buying and donating 500 million Pfizer doses for distribution through COVAX starting this month. We're not attaching any strings or conditions to these doses. This is about saving lives. This is also why we're committed to being a global leader in climate change. The Pacific Island nations know better than anyone that averting the worst effects of climate change is going to save lives. Or put it another way, if we don't, we're going to lose a lot of lives. You're already feeling the impact of having to adapt. The United States is committed to dramatically reducing our emissions by 2030 and building resilience into vulnerable communities globally. We're doubling our annual contribution to climate finance for developing nations and tripling our finance for climate adaptation. The United States is a proud Pacific power and will continue to be an active, engaged partner in the region and a friend to all your countries. A free and open Indo-Pacific is vital to each of our nations' security and prosperity and to all our shared futures. Thank you, and I hope you have a very productive Leaders Retreat. I wish I could be personally with you.